because I'm not letting His Excellency sleep. And I'm sure he's not, there are people who are not going to sleep tonight. They will work and work very hard. And also ourselves, we have responsibility. And we must be accountable as parents and as people of Kenya to make sure our country develops. I am coming to make sure we are taking them to rehab centers. It is something to be very sad about. When you see there are no children in the lower primary, it tells you something is happening and you must wake up to the reality. Otherwise, one day you'll be talking about people who used to be there like the Amaleks. They were there, but they are not there. Because if you are not reproducing, then how do you expect there is going to be a generation? And this generation is being wiped out by depression, mental health, alcohol. They are staggering. Everywhere you go, you find them in the shops. We must stop this. And those ones who are doing this, they must stop it because it is wrong.